If you've ever tried to make a copy of a Google Sheet and one or more Google Forms that are tied to it and run into issues, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through what these issues are, the best way to go about this, and the related issues you may run into. So the first thing is if you own both the Google Form and the Google Sheet, the fastest and easiest way to do this is in the Google Sheet, not the Google Form, go to File and make a copy. You can name it whatever you want, click Make a Copy, and let's go to Drive and see what this looks like. And once that's done, we'll refresh our drive. So let's go ahead and refresh this. And so what you'll see here is here's that copy of Google Sheet right here. And then there's copy of Google Form. Now, one thing you may run into is if your Google Sheet is in a folder, and then you're looking in that folder for the Google Form, usually what it does is when it makes the copy of the Google Form, it'll drop it in your main drive. And so if you're having trouble finding the Google Form, one thing you can do is in that copy of the Google Sheet, go to Tools and Edit Form. And then you can check Move to Folder, and you can move it to where you need to. Now, next, let's look at if the Google Sheet and or Google Form are owned by someone else. And so let's close these out real quick. One thing I want to note before I close this out. So you can make a copy from over here on the Google Form, but it won't be connected to that Google Sheet. Now you can go to responses here, and then you'll have an option to link, select destination, but you can't link it to the same sheet. And so, for example, here we have for responses 1. And so if you had multiple formulas, different things tied to this, and then you go make a copy of the Google Form and try to tie it back, you'll have to tie it to a new tab. And so that's just one thing to keep in mind is if you want to keep that connection and any formulas intact, you do want to make a copy of the Google Sheet. All right, so let's go ahead and close this out and then look at this other scenario is if the Google Sheet and or the Google Form is owned by someone else. And so this happens a lot when maybe someone shares it with you and you want to copy the project. So you may think, oh, well, I can just make a copy and this is going to work great. And so let's go over here and we'll refresh here. So here's that Google Sheet owned by other. Let me just go ahead and delete these real quick. I'm going to delete these as well, just to make this clear. So if we go to copy Google Sheet, one thing you'll notice is we have this form responses icon right here. If we go to this copy, it's missing. And so this is a big indicator that it's no longer linked. And so if we go to tools, we have an option to create a new form, but we can't access the form because it didn't come with the Google Sheet. Now, why does this happen? This happens because the Google Form is not accessible to us. So if we go here to edit form, we have an error. And so this is not published. Let me go to my other tab and even publish this form. Okay, so I just published this. And so if I go like this, you can see I can view it, but I can't edit it. And I have this request edit access. So here's the tricky thing with trying to make a copy of a Google Sheet with a Google Form is you have to have edit access to the form to copy it. And so let's go ahead and delete this one real quick. And we'll look at our drive again. So there's our Google Sheet owned by other. So let's try making a copy again. Now we have view access, right? If we make a copy, hit refresh, it's still not bringing it through. And so let me go change the access here. I'm going to give this account edit access to this. So let's just request it here. And then I'm going to go authorize that. All right, so we just have edit access now. So you can see now we are able to edit the form. And so once this is in place, so let's go ahead and save it to the drive. So let's go ahead and check. There we go. So now let's go ahead and try this again. So now that we have edit access, we should build a copy from the Google Sheet. We'll make a copy. And then we'll be able to check our drive here in a second. So first of all, we can look at this and see if it comes through with the linked Google Form. And there's our icon. So we should have a linked Google Form. And if we refresh here, here's our copy of Google Sheet and copy of Google Form. So the thing to keep in mind is if you have a linked form, and this works even if you have multiple forms linked to the Google Sheet, If you own all of them, then you're not going to have an issue. Just go to the Google Sheet and make a copy. All right, so that is it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.